If you've been given a special link to download a Timelock documentation app, just open the linked web page on the mobile device where you want to install it. Scroll down the page to find the app you want to install, then tap the Install link for either iPhone or Android, depending on your operating system. On Android, you'll get a brief warning about installing the app. Just tap OK, then wait for it to download. When the download finishes, tap to open the file, then tap Install on the next screen. Once the app is installed, you can tap to open it. Tapping the iPhone link will cause an alert to pop up. Just tap to close it, then tap Install in the next box that appears. This will add the app to your phone's home screen. If you try to open the app at this point, you'll get an error message about it being from an untrusted developer. To remove the error, simply open your phone's Settings app, scroll down to General, then scroll to the bottom of the page, where you'll see a section called Device Management or Profiles and Device Management. Tap that section, then tap Timelock Documentation LLC. Now, tap to Trust Our Apps and confirm that in the box that pops up. That's it. You should now be able to open and use the app like any other app on your device. For more support, documentation, and information, visit Timelockdocs.com.